Welcome back to Technology in the Future. iPad gets macOS features in iPadOS 19. A new era begins. Apple is about to transform the iPad experience with iPadOS 19, a monumental update bringing macOS-inspired features that elevate the iPad to new heights. This update isn't just about performance improvements, it's about bringing the iPad closer to a desktop-like experience, with new tools that are designed to make it more productive, versatile, and visually unified with the broader Apple ecosystem. Let's dive into the game-changing features iPadOS 19 has to offer. macOS-inspired menu bar on iPad. One of the standout features of iPadOS 19 is the introduction of a macOS-style menu bar. For users who rely on their iPads for professional or creative work, this is a huge leap forward. With the Magic Keyboard, the new menu bar will provide seamless access to essential tools and settings, making the iPad feel much more like a desktop. You'll have quick access to file management, editing options, and more, all at your fingertips. This update streamlines navigation, so switching between apps, managing windows, and adjusting settings becomes quicker and more efficient. Perfect for those who want to get things done without the hassle of constantly hunting for features. Stage Manager 2.0. Multitasking at its best. Another exciting upgrade is Stage Manager 2.0, which builds upon the multitasking capabilities introduced in earlier versions. With iPadOS 19, Stage Manager is even more intuitive and powerful, offering a more organized and efficient way to juggle multiple apps and windows. The layout has been optimized to provide a smoother, more natural multitasking experience, making it perfect for users who use their iPads for everything from document editing to video production. Stage Manager 2.0 makes it easier than ever to stay productive, allowing users to seamlessly switch between tasks without the frustration of a cluttered workspace. Aesthetic overhaul. Design inspired by vision. iPadOS 19 isn't just about functionality, it's also a complete visual redesign. Inspired by Apple's Vision OS, the new design language features rounded corners, pill-shaped tab bars, and an overall fluid and dynamic interface. The changes aren't just for looks, though. They also make navigation feel more intuitive and engaging. With floating keyboards and transparent layers, the design feels more immersive and modern. The integration of 3D elements adds a touch of sophistication, bringing the iPad's interface to life and making it a joy to use. This update unites the look and feel of Apple's entire ecosystem, ensuring that all Apple devices work harmoniously together. Smarter Siri with enhanced AI. iPadOS 19 also gives Siri a major upgrade. Thanks to new AI capabilities, Siri will become more context-aware, understanding complex commands and offering personalized suggestions based on your usage patterns. Whether you're managing apps, adjusting settings, or even setting reminders, Siri's enhanced intelligence will make the entire experience smoother and more efficient. The improvements promise a more responsive assistant that's ready to handle your requests with precision, helping you get the most out of your iPad. Wrapping up. A game changer for the iPad in summary, iPadOS 19 is set to change the way we think about iPads. With macOS-inspired features, an improved multitasking experience, and a sleek new design, Apple is making its tablet even more powerful and versatile. Whether you're using the iPad for work, entertainment, or creative projects, this update will help you do more with ease. As we wait for the official release, it's clear that iPadOS 19 will redefine the iPad experience, making it an indispensable tool for users of all kinds. Get ready for a more productive, intuitive, and visually stunning iPad. Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned to Technology in the Future for more exciting updates on the latest tech.